Hi there. This is Dr. C. Sonia, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Now, in this video, we're going to see about the environmental ethics, and that we're going to discuss in detail about wasteland reclamation. So, what is this environmental ethics? It is a branch of philosophy that studies the moral relationship that is between the human beings relationship of human beings to, and also the value and the moral status of the environment and its non-human contents. As human activity continues to alter the planet at an unprecedented scale, several critical ethical dilemmas have emerged. So it is very important to discuss in details about this. So in this we are going to see about the introduction to the solution to environmental problems, ethical guidelines, and followed by the next video which will tell you about the wasteland reclamation, the causes for the wasteland reclamation, then objectives of wasteland reclamation. So we are going to see about the methods too in that. And what is actually in the terms of this scientific value, the term environmental ethics refer to a feeling of moral responsibility and personal conduct towards the nature, towards the natural landscapes, resources, natural species, and non-human organisms. So this environmental ethics, this subject is included as a subject for all the students to make them aware and give them a responsibility of their act towards the environment. How should they treat the environment? So we depend on nature for our food supplies, source of food, medicine, and energy. So environment ethics is important to mankind because we depend on various resources provided by the earth. Many of Earth's natural resources, once utilized, are irretrievable. That is, what we are using as Earth's natural resources, now we are using the petroleum products, the coal, and all these things are non-renewable form of energy. As we use it, it became extinct. And also the natural resources by trees, for example, trees and other minerals that we use, it became extinct. So the foremost duty is to use these resources wisely so that our future generation can inherit a secure future based on a healthy environment. So this tells about the sustainability. So it also refers to the issues, principles, and the guidelines relating to human interaction with their environment. So environmental problems includes population growth and urbanization, deforestation and forest fire, discharge of effluent from industries, water scarcity due to inadequate rainfall, then land degradation and soil erosion, over exploitation of natural resources. Overexploitation of biodiversity and resources must be reduced. Reduction, reduce and reuse of the waste products and energy resources. Pollution-free disposal of hazardous waste materials. Any environmental impacts of the human activities must be assessed by efficient ecologists. Science and technology used to changing life from unbalanced to the balanced state. Sustainable development is very essential on conservation of resources because they are non-renewable resources. Reduce population growth and increase the economic growth of our country. So what are the different ethical guidelines? It includes we should not harm any natural entity that has an intrinsic worth. We should not try to control, modify, manage, or interfere with the functioning ecosystem. We should protect the safe, clean, and the pollution-less environment for the future generations. We should utilize the natural resources are in a moderate amounts.